In this video, I will show you the batch serial number and expiry date article functionality. I'm located here under warehouse articles. This is my product register or article register, whatever you may call it. You may work with an integration to Ongoing and have gotten your article register from another system. Then you would simply edit the articles and make that a batch serial or expiry date article and let that live in Ongoing. So you can keep full track on inbound and outbound and batches and so on. We are going to create an article from scratch and we're going to do all three functionalities at once. Batch serial expiry date article, we're going to call it. Give it an article number. The serial number checkbox is visible per default. The other two must be found by checking this box, show all fields, and scroll down, and here they are: batch article, serial, and expiry date. Check all three. Let's give it a picking location so we get some suggestion in the scanner. Now click create. Here we have it, and here is the edit symbol if you already had your register here. Now let's do some inbound. So go to warehouse and receive goods. We're going to do one batch here in the desktop interface and then one batch in the scanning interface. I only have one article here. Let's pick 10 of those, and here I can check the show location suggestion to get my suggestion A1, and I'm going to give it a batch B1. This is the only thing I'm forced to give in this interface. The serial number, the most common functionality is that you want to keep track of it on outbound, so then we only force the serial number when you deliver goods. So and the expiry date is also optional in this interface. These can all be adjusted by contacting your Ongoing representative. Let's put this one 2 years from now and click save. Insert successful. Now we've delivered in 10 articles. Let's do the same thing for the scanning interface. Yeah, it's reached by just adding a \scanning to your URL. I will open it here in the full desktop view, and it is this option, inbound. So I simulate here that I scan the article. I put it in and press enter. And here is the actual article name. So I'm gonna be forced to input or scan a batch. I'm going to put B2. And then an expiry date. So let's do that 1 year from now. Here we go. And then the count. Let's put in 10 of those as well. And here's my location suggestion. The default is the picking spot for the picking location for the article. And now I close this view. And now we can see here under goods in stock that we have 2 rows for this article, batch B1 and batch B2. If you want to view anything else in this column, you can simply go here and change the column view. And here is what you see now. Here is all the possibilities that you do have. But we don't want that. We instead, we are satisfied with this view. If you want to update your goods here for whatever reason, you're going to go to warehouse, update goods info, and yeah, you can edit it here, the batch and so on, should you want to. Now let's do an outbound, an order. So I'm going to create an order real quick. And on this order, we're going to order 2 of these. So here we have the order list. Now we click allocate. and this locks goods from the warehouse, and now I'm going to pick it in the scanning interface. So go back to this option, pick, and I'm going to choose this order, input scan location, go to A1, scan the article, that would be this. And now you see here that I should take batch 2, and this is the one with shortest expiry date. That's default behavior. Now I have to input the serial number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Input count, and if I want to keep track of both of these individuals, I put in 1 now. And then I do the same thing and put in another serial number, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and one more. Now I click send here, and I close the scanning interface. Now if I update this page, you'll see that it's sent. And now if I want to keep track of the serial numbers, I can check those in goods flow and delivered goods, for example. And here you can see on this order I went away for or sent away serial number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. And I can of course search for the serial numbers here and just keep full track of it wherever it may be, and you see also who it went to. Yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you very much.